Hi children, today class is numerals in expanded form and short form. Numerical number we will arrange in expanded form and short form. See, before classes I explained about the numerals we are write in words and in figures I told. In this class I will explain about the numerals in expanded form and short form. See, for example, expanded mean what? Whatever number he gave, then we will extend the number according to the place values. See, example 7693. So this is the 4-digit number. In the given number 4 digits are there, that is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, 7693. 7693. Example, see children, first one box, empty box I am writing. First this plus first place value is thousands plus next one is hundreds. Next one is hundreds. Then next one plus tens plus next one is ones. Okay. First thousands place is which one is there? 7. 7 is goes to thousands place. The next one 100 is 6. Then 9 is tens. 3 is a ones place. Okay. 7693. This is the form of the expanded according to the given the number to the place values. Okay, we arranged in place values. Then now one more thing, see once 7 into 7 is a which place is there? Thousands place into 1000 place. Then next which one is there? 6. 6 is in which place? 100 place into 100 place. 9. 9 into 10 place. Place 3. Okay, like this way also we have to arrange. We will whatever number he gave, whatever number is there in the place value, that number we have to write directly and multiply by the place value. Place value is number is 7. Place value is what? Thousands place into 1000 you can write. Whenever we are writing to the place values, then period this thousands period this is 100 place. Whenever we are writing to the expanded form, then don't put directly. Whenever change the period, we can keep in between 2 digits, we will keep the addition symbol. Okay, then or you can, if you are not getting means, this means 2 odd means directly one more method is there. 7. 7 is directly first number. 7 after how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. Keep 3 zeros. Then put 3 zeros. Next 6 is there. 6 is a 100 place. 6 after 1, 2 digits are there. Then keep 2 zeros. Then after 9, 9 after 1 digit there. Put 1 zero place 3. This is the expanded form of the given number. This is the expanded form of the given number. Isn't it? Now, this numeral, he gave numeral. I explained about the expanded form. Now, if we gave expanded form, now we have to convert it into the short form. See, for example, short form means expanded form. If you will give, we have to write in the short form. See, expanded form. Example, 5000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 2. He gave. This is the expanded form for the given. Okay, he gave one expanded form. Now we have to write in the short form. How to write short form means, then whatever I told, we have to write first write place values. First place value 1, tens, hundreds and thousands. First place value is 2. Then write in ones place is 2. Tens place, ones, tens place is 7. Then ones, tens, 100 place is 2. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Thousand place is 5. Then how much should be there? Then keep commas 3 periods. Okay, 5272. 5272. This way we have to write the expanded form to short form. Isn't it? Okay. First expanded form I explained, and if expanded form he gave, then I explained the short form. Okay. Next topic, predecessor and successor. Predecessor and successor. What is the predecessor? What is the successor? What is the predecessor and what is the successor? Predecessor. Predecessor meaning what? Before number. Predecessor meaning what? Before number. Before number, whatever he gave the number, we have to write the before number, or we should subtract 1 from the given number. We should subtract from the given number. What is this? This one is a predecessor. What is this? Predecessor. Predecessor meaning what? Before number. Before number, or subtract 1. Subtract 1 from the given number. From the given number. What is this? Subtract 1 from the given number. Example, 75 he gave. 75 he gave. What is asking? We have to, is saying write the predecessor of 75. Write the predecessor of 75. Predecessor definition is what? Before number we can write. Before number is what? Here is 75 is there. 75 before number is 74. 74. Then 74 is a predecessor of 75. Or if you are getting before number, if you are not remember, then you can go to the subtract 1 from the given number. Given number what is there? 75. From the given number 75 you have to subtract 1. In 5 minus 1, 4 is 7. 74 is a predecessor of the given number. If we gave 100, 100 before number is what? 99. 99 is a predecessor of 100. Predecessor of 100. Next one is successor. Successor. Success meaning what? Move forwarding. Next forwarding. Move. One more thing, success mean we have to do the implementation of our thing. This one, see once. After number in the numerical form, successor means whatever he gave the number, we have to write the after number, or one more than the number. More than meaning what? How much more than I told? 1. 1 more than the number. 1 means we should add 1 to the given number. See, successor meaning what? After number. After number, or 1 more than the number. 1 more than the number. 1 more than the number meaning what? Add 1. Add 1. See, for example, 93. 93, write the successor of 93. See, successor what I told? After number. 93 after number is 94. 93 after number 94. For example, one more example, 999. 999 after number is what? Is asking write the successor of 999. 999 next number is 1000. Next number is 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. See, if you are not getting directly after 999, then you have to go to the second one is what? It will be how to add 1. 999. Add 1. 9 plus 1 10. 0. 9 carry 1 10. 9 carry 1 10. We got how much now here? 1000. 999 after number is 1000. 1000 is the successor of 999. Okay children, today what I told? numerical form, whatever expanded form, how to write the expanded form. Then if we gave the expanded form, how to write in short form. Next predecessor, then successor. Predecessor meaning what? Write the before number or less than the number. Next successor. Successor meaning what? After number meaning what? More than the number, or we should add 1 to the given number. Okay, thank you.